Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best TTR 125 carburetor is probably one of the most important components of your motorcycle, responsible for precisely mixing air and fuel for optimal engine performance. Today, we will delve into the intricacies of this vital part, exploring its functions, common issues, maintenance tips, and crucial adjustments to ensure your TTR 125 runs smoothly and efficiently, saving you time, money, and frustration in the long run. Number 5. LIYYOO TTR 125 Carburetor. This high-quality carburetor is designed to give your Yamaha TTR 125 a boost in power and torque. It's a direct bolt-on replacement, making installation quick and easy. It's compatible with various Yamaha TTR 125 models from 2000 to 2007, including the TTR 125E, TTR 125L, and TTR 125LE. Check your model year to ensure compatibility. It features a 25mm intake diameter and a 36mm outer intake diameter. The outer diameter to the air filter is 40mm. It comes pre-adjusted for a hassle-free installation. Experience enhanced power and torque with this new carburetor. Enjoy improved throttle response and a more enjoyable ride. It's a simple bolt-on replacement, no special tools or expertise required. Get back to riding in no time. We offer excellent customer support. If you have any questions or issues, feel free to contact us. We're here to help. What we like. It comes pre-adjusted, saving you time and hassle. Installation is a breeze, it's a true bolt-on part. Plus, it includes a fuel switch valve, adding extra convenience. If you value ease of use and convenience, this is the one for you. What people say. Fit was perfect between the intake and air box. Install of the petcock was straightforward. Bike starts very quickly now. Runs very good. Installed this new carb on my wife's TTR 125 and am astonished with the improved performance. Starts on first kick every time with no choking necessary. Idles smoothly at low RPM and has more power than ever. Swapped the slide and choke pin that came with it and only had to replace the vent tube with the supplied line because it's slightly smaller than stock. Besides that, it fired up great cold and running fantastic. Number 4. Yamaha TTR 125 Carb Kit. This kit provides a complete and easy-to-install solution for your Yamaha TTR 125. It's pre-adjusted for a smooth, hassle-free installation. It's compatible with various Yamaha TTR 125 models from 2000 to 2007, including the TTR 125E, TTR 125L, and TTR 125LE. Ensure it's the right fit for your specific bike. This is a true bolt-on part, no complex adjustments are needed. It's ready to go right out of the box. It includes the carburetor, a gas-fuel petcock valve switch, and fuel lines for a complete replacement. The intake diameters are precisely 25mm, 36mm, and 40mm. Your package contains one carburetor, one fuel petcock valve switch, and 2 fuel lines. Everything you need for a successful installation is included. Double-check that this is the correct part for your Yamaha TTR 125 before ordering. Happy riding! What we like. This is a complete kit, including the carburetor, petcock valve, and 2 fuel lines. Everything you need is included in one package. You won't need to source additional parts. If you prefer a complete solution and want to avoid extra shopping, this is the best choice. What people say. It runs like a new bike now. No more gas from the overflow tube. Starts on the first or second kick every time. Plug and play. Perfect fit. Bike started and ran fine with no adjustment needed. Installed and works as it should. My son's petcock was leaking, this replacement worked as it should. Went ahead and installed the carb while working on the bike. Runs better than what was on it. Number 3. Yamaha TTR 125 Carburetor. Is your Yamaha TTR 125's carburetor causing trouble? This replacement ensures optimal fuel delivery and engine performance. Get back to smooth riding. This carburetor is a perfect fit for Yamaha TTR 125 models from 2000 to 2007. It's designed for seamless installation and reliable operation. It works with Yamaha TTR 125, TTR 125L, and TTR 125LE models within the specified years. Check your model to ensure compatibility. You'll receive the carburetor, plus 2 fuel lines for a complete and easy installation. Everything you need is in the box. Enjoy improved throttle response and better fuel efficiency with this new carburetor. Breathe new life into your Yamaha TTR 125. This is designed for straightforward installation. You'll be back on the road quickly and easily. No special tools needed. What we like. It's a direct fit for your Yamaha TTR 125, ensuring a perfect match. It's brand new, guaranteeing peak performance. It's compatible with models from 2000 to 2007. If you need a reliable, direct replacement for your older model, this is a great option. What people say. As soon as I bolted this carb up, it runs amazing. First kick every single time. I installed it without adjusting anything on the carburetor, turned on the gas, and the bike started on the first try and idled beautifully. Wow, bolted right up to my 2003 TTR 125L. Literally took 6 kicks to start up. And now takes 1 kick to start up every time. Number 2. Yamaha TTR 125 Carburetor. This is a brand new, high-quality carburetor, perfectly designed for your Yamaha TTR 125. It's built to deliver peak performance and reliability. It boasts a 25mm intake diameter, a 36mm outer intake diameter, and a 40mm outer diameter to the air filter. These precise dimensions ensure a perfect fit and optimal airflow. This carburetor is compatible with various Yamaha TTR 125 models, including the TTR 125, TTR 125E, TTR 125L, and TTR 125LE, from 2000 to 2007. Check your model year to confirm compatibility. It's a simple bolt-on installation, no adjustments are needed as it's pre-adjusted before shipping. Get back on the road quickly and easily. Before ordering, please double-check that this carburetor is the correct part for your specific Yamaha TTR 125 model. Ensure a perfect fit for optimal performance. We stand behind the quality of this carburetor. It's made with high-quality materials and is built to last, giving you reliable performance for years to come. What we like. This carburetor is brand new and of high quality, promising durability and lasting performance. Like the others, it's pre-adjusted and easy to install. It's a simple, reliable solution. If you prioritize quality in a straightforward installation, this is a solid choice. What people say. My kid's TTR 125 was showing signs that the carb needed work. At this price, it was easier to replace it than clean adjust the old one. The bike ran as good as new after the install. This carb works great out of the box. I'm at sea level, so there are no adjustments. Jetting changes were needed after installation. Totally satisfied with this aftermarket carb from my 2011 TTR 125. Replaced the OEM Mikuni. This is truly plug and play. Bike never ran so well with the old carb. Also came with some fresh fuel lines and fuel filter. Number 1. Yamaha TTR 125 Carburetor. This carburetor is a perfect replacement for your Yamaha TTR 125. It's designed to fit seamlessly and restore your engine's performance. It features a 25mm intake diameter, a 36mm outer intake diameter, and a 40mm outer diameter to the air filter. These precise measurements ensure a proper fit. It's compatible with various Yamaha TTR 125 models from 2000 to 2007, including the TTR 125E, TTR 125L, and TTR 125LE. Check your model to confirm compatibility. The package includes the carburetor, an oil filter, and 2 fuel lines, as shown in the image. Installation instructions are not included. Before purchasing, please compare it to your old carburetor using the provided images to ensure a perfect fit for your specific model. Get your Yamaha TTR 125 back to peak performance with this high-quality replacement carburetor. Enjoy smooth, reliable operation once again. What we like. It's a complete kit that includes an oil filter and 2 fuel lines, offering a comprehensive solution. It's designed to be compatible with your specific model. Make sure to compare it to your old carburetor before ordering. If you need a comprehensive kit with all the necessary components, this is the one for you. What people say. I was surprised with the weight of this carb. I expected it to be a thin and lightweight copy, but this is actually a very well-made carb. With some basic cleanup and these replacement parts, it started after just a few kicks. You'll have to adjust the idle to where you want it, but I've had no need to mess with jets mixture, etc. Sometimes these Chinese knockoff carbs can be hit or miss in quality and performance. This one was a hit and my 2007 Yamaha TTR 125E runs as expected with this carb installed. After installing the carb on the bike, it started right up on second kick. The only thing I had to adjust was the idle screw. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.